Hi there, and welcome to an introduction to Seesaw. My name's Nikki Tester. Thank you for joining me in this course. We will be learning about Seesaw, which is a free student-driven portfolio. We'll be looking at what it is and how to use it in the classroom. We'll be looking at the creative tools that are integrated within the program. Initially, you will be placed in the role of a student or learner so that you can get to play with the different features. We'll also be exploring some of the many classroom activities that can be used with this technology, which is supported by all bring your own device environments. We'll explore app smashing and integrating other apps within Seesaw, and finally exploring further links and reading for you to explore so you can develop a deeper understanding of this tool. So what is Seesaw? Seesaw is a platform for student engagement. Seesaw empowers students of any age to independently document what they are learning at school. Students capture their learning with photos, videos of their work, or by adding digital creations. Everything gets organised in one place in the cloud and is accessible to teachers from any device. Student work can be shared with classmates, parents, or published to a class blog. Seesaw gives students a real audience for their work and offers parents a personalised window into their child's learning. It inspires students of all ages to do their best and saves teachers time. Students can show what they know using photos, videos, drawings, text, PDFs and links. You can also import directly from many popular apps. They create a portfolio that they're proud to show others, and it empowers students to document what they are learning at school. If you visit the Seesaw Activity Library, you'll find hundreds of previously created resources which you can easily add to your personal library in your account for free. These are perfect for use on a day of relief teaching, or you can use them on a block of teaching. There's a limit to the number of activities you can download on a free account, but believe me, there are plenty there for you to use. Seesaw focuses more on your students. How? Well, when students add to their Seesaw journal, the content is uploaded by the student and immediately accessible to teachers from any device on the web, making it easy to see and hear what students know, to understand, review and monitor their progress over time and demonstrate growth. Instruction is easily differentiated for students who may be on an individual learning program or extended to create more challenging tasks. So how does Seesaw work? Teachers can create their own activities or find one that is suitable from the extensive library. All of these presentations can be edited to suit the needs of the class. A critical part of the process is that students read and follow the instructions, which are heavily supported by images, so that students of all ages are able to engage with Seesaw. The built-in tools allow students to take photos, draw, record videos, and integrate other apps which can be uploaded to their online digital portfolio of learning. When the student adds to the activity, the teacher is notified and so can begin the process of viewing and commenting on students' work. Parents are also able to view what their children have been doing in class, and students can continue to work on their projects at home, which is perfect for flipped classrooms. Students will also be notified on their accounts as soon as the teacher makes a comment. Let's see an example now of a first grader who has been using Seesaw and is videotaped her reflection on ways of making 7.
This is how I make 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 5 plus 3 equals 7. Wait, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I need to cross out one of these. Okay, and 5 plus 3 does not equal 7, so 5 plus 2 equals 7.
So when the teacher receives this, they can instantly tell a few things. One, that the child is counting from 1, but they were also able to see there was a mistake, rectify it, and did a fine job on fixing up where that mistake was. This kind of interaction and expression is critical for gauging student learning. This time, this is a 4th grader explaining in a science lesson a circuit that he's made.
This is the circuit I built. The parts of my circuit are the switch, the battery, and the fan. When I first put my circuit together, it was not working. The problem was, up here, I realized that the positive and negative charges were in the opposite place. So I had to flip this piece around, and when I did that, it created a circuit that worked. It let the battery flow through to the fan. My next step is to make it lift off from the ground.
Seesaw is amazing for getting children to use expressive language. This young lad obviously was able to explain the process, he was able to explain his mistake, and he's also inspired to take this project further. So the amount of learning that has gone on in this one activity is quite incredible. So just in those 2 examples alone, we heard students reflect, apply vocabulary and concepts, problem solve, and plan next steps. Seesaw works great in classrooms that have shared devices or one-on-one devices. It works with Chrome, it works with everything. So it's free, works on any device, even Kindles. So let's move on to the next module. You'll be downloading your own version, and let's have a play.